everyone, welcome back to Parsons Productions. In today's video, we got something very exciting. We got the forks, or the shocks, back from the shop. They rebuilt them. They were super leaky, and they were very compressy. Every time you hit a bump, you just bottom out. But now, they're pretty stiff. So, we're gonna throw these on. They're gonna look like that. And the bike will finally be sitting back together after I don't know how long I'm sitting, but it's gonna be back and it's gonna be great. Alrighty, now the moment we've all been waiting for. Got the wheel on, I've got the forks gently tightened down. I'm going to tighten down the top ones, and then I believe after that it is time to let the bike down for the first time in a long time. Too long. Keep these new pod flippers, by the way, they look fire. Are you ready? It's on the ground, this is awesome! Oh my god, can a gate not open for like 5 seconds? Ugh, it's annoying. Well everyone, at this point in the video, the bike is officially done, I guess. It runs fantastic. There's another video coming out where we do some engine work to it. My roommate Brandon and I, we went through the carburetors and really took them apart and realized why they were running like they were running. But long story short, end of this video, the bike is fully put back together. Not necessarily legal yet because it's still the title issue. We'll get to that when we get to it. But the bike's back together. It runs like bliss. Couldn't have asked for anything better. It's still slow. It's a 40-year-old bike. It's an 83, so I mean, I'm not expecting perfection, but other than that, it runs great. And I am beyond happy. I couldn't ask for anything better. Once again, thanks for watching the video, guys, and like and subscribe. And thanks for watching Parsons Productions.